TrafficJunky is a renowned online advertising platform that allows businesses to promote their services or products. It works on a cost-per-impression basis, meaning you pay for the number of times your ad is shown, not clicked. TrafficJunky specializes in providing targeted traffic from various countries and niches. It has partnerships with high-traffic websites, including Pornhub and RedTube, positioning itself as a leading ad network in the adult industry. TrafficJunky offers various features to optimize your ad campaign. Firstly, it provides precise targeting options, such as geographic, device, and time targeting. Secondly, it offers ad scheduling, allowing you to run your ads at specific times. Thirdly, TrafficJunky provides detailed analytics to track your campaign's performance. Lastly, it offers a variety of ad formats, including banners, pop-unders, and mobile redirects, giving you numerous advertising opportunities. TrafficJunky operates on a bidding model. This means you bid for ad placements against other advertisers. The minimum bid per 1,000 impressions varies depending on the website, ad spot, and time of the day. However, it usually ranges from $10 to $1.50. There is also a minimum deposit of $25 to start advertising. This flexible pricing model allows businesses of all sizes to use TrafficJunky. TrafficJunky is ideal for businesses looking to drive traffic to their websites, especially in the adult industry. It's also perfect for those who want precise targeting for their campaigns. If you're looking to promote a product or service during specific hours of the day, TrafficJunky's ad scheduling feature would be beneficial. Lastly, if you want comprehensive analytics to understand your campaign's performance, TrafficJunky would be a good fit. TrafficJunky offers several advantages. It provides access to high-traffic websites, ensuring maximum visibility for your ads. The platform's precise targeting options allow you to reach your desired audience effectively. It also offers real-time analytics, helping you understand and optimize your campaign performance. Additionally, its flexible pricing model makes it accessible for businesses of all sizes. Despite its benefits, TrafficJunky has some limitations. Its niche focus on the adult industry might not suit all advertisers. Although the bidding model provides flexibility, it can also lead to unpredictable costs. Also, the platform's interface might seem complex to beginners. Lastly, while TrafficJunky offers customer support, some users have reported slow response times. TrafficJunky is a powerful advertising platform with a focus on the adult industry. Its key strength lies in its high-traffic partnerships and precise targeting options. While the platform's pricing model is flexible, it can lead to unpredictable costs. Despite some limitations, TrafficJunky is a valuable tool for businesses seeking to drive website traffic and optimize their ad campaigns. In conclusion, TrafficJunky is a robust and versatile ad platform offering a range of features to optimize your ad campaigns. While it has its limitations, its benefits can outweigh the disadvantages for the right businesses. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.